Vossloh has invited some 300 experts from Germany, Europe and around the world to attend its 2019 Rail and Turnout Machining Symposium in Hamburg.
Wir sind stolz auf das, was wir Ihnen heute zeigen.
We are proud of what we can show you here today. Our aim is to demonstrate not just what we are capable of at the moment. During the day we also intend to show you where we are headed, what we are working on, and what our vision is for rail and switch machining in the future. In view of climate protection and major changes in mobility, there's a surge in political and public support for the railway system in Germany.
Das heißt aber auch, wir werden
But that also entails a major increase in rail traffic. For most of you sitting here now, it will mean even more work, since there will be a massive increase in the pressure put on the infrastructure. How is the Chinese National Railway getting on with the HSG2 grinding train? What does the new MPM milling machine do? How can MR Pro software be used for a thorough analysis of the state of the infrastructure? And how can digital tools be combined with Vossloh's large and small rail profiling machines to produce an intelligent maintenance planning system? Vossloh aims to make infrastructure maintenance as straightforward as possible for its customers, which is why the overall package it provides has been given the name Easy Maintenance. The clear message from the presentations is that much more is possible than many people think. The participants naturally also took a look behind the scenes. Vossloh has its own plant here in Hamburg, where it produces machines like the HSG City and the MPM milling machine. We're being given a completely new insight into maintenance here, with new technologies that permit much faster machining speeds. The combination of grinding and milling, for instance, opens up a whole range of new opportunities. So we're keeping a close eye on developments. The three milling machines were the big attraction in the practical session. This road rail milling truck ensures highly efficient rail and switch machining. The compact MPM milling machine is currently undergoing tests. The largest exhibit on display at the symposium is the HPM High Performance Milling Machine, which will soon be approved for use. We've come to Germany to find out more about the latest developments in milling and grinding, and are very impressed by the innovations on display here. We have a large harbour railway system and enjoy a close relationship with Vossloh built on trust. We're always keen to find out what we can change and improve. We've given the HSG City a brief trial run and think it's a machine we could use in the future for top quality rail maintenance. We'll be keeping an eye on things and watching what the others are doing. Innovations for the economic maintenance of railway infrastructure. Vossloh's technology regularly sets new standards.